Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And then now guys, I fix my cloth cupboard and drawer cover. And let's go. So now guys, my God. So now guys, I fix my cupboard because many months I'm not fixed. So now I fix because like a jungle guys. Yes. So this is my night suit. What? You mean what? Huh? Yeah. I need fold properly like that because my
Somebody speak with other fan.
I already
loud.
loud.
Fan voice is
I
loud.
know. Oh. This is how I fold my clothes. I easy can take and can get. Because many months I'm not in home. If I'm in home, so I'm just only 3 days. Huh? I already.
Then you speak with the slow voice, but go to the good voice. The and his fan voice, everything she do. So that
And last time I asked, I see the small shorts, but the shop giving me t-shirts. T-shirt and shirt is not same, but he gave me t-shirts. Small shirts I want because for night sleeping, even hot weather, because I feel so hot, so that's why I'm wearing shirts night time. And this is my night suit, but I'm not wearing now because I feel shy, because we have visitors here. I'm not wearing. This is before, when I was in Philippines. This is some loose, but now I like it's a fit because I become chubby. Chubby guys. This is also my night suit, but for now I'm not using. I don't know who gave me this before, but someone giving me this, or I buy this, I don't know. I think someone giving me that, or my friend in Islamabad giving me. This is way how I fold my cloth. And This is my uniform in Philippines when celebrate the what you getting. And this also is from Philippines. I buy this in Okay Okay. Okay Okay guys. If you know Okay Okay, galing UK. Yes. Oh my god, you're so loud. My husband is beside me watching drama. Now my drawer is some fix. And I think tomorrow I wash my clothes because I have 2 pair of clothes in the bathroom. Yeah, in the bathroom. I want to wash tomorrow. And now I'm finished. That's it, guys. And this is my shawl because I need shawl when I go outside with mask. And sometimes I'm wearing abaya. If I wear Pakistani clothes, so sometimes I not need abaya. Just shawl, big shawl. For cover your body. Yes. Even the weather is so hot. My God, you cannot imagine how it become hot. So now guys, I'm finished my fixing cloth. Please, yes. Now my all cloth is fixed, so next is the second here. Oh my God, this is my all here inside is Pakistan, not all but some Pakistani cloth. Yes, this, but yeah, so I need fix because if I not fix, guys, oh my God, you cannot see me, guys. Wait, I need something for my stand. My God. Oh, this is my cloth, Pakistani cloth. wear this yesterday, and this I wear today because I'm going to Islamabad for something work. And yes, yesterday I wear this just in home. I'm not go anywhere, but I'm wearing this because when become just I wear because if I have work, guys, so I'm not wearing any Pakistani cloth because I feel bored up. I feel bothering because of the, especially if have the pata, I feel bothered. And oh my god, it's my husband, my husband, my husband. It's broken. So guys, my it's broken, guys. Oh my god. I don't mean, my husband, where is my white Pakistani cloth? Where is my Pakistani cloth? White. No. No. White, you know when mommy is here, I'm wearing white. Yes.
So here we check. Mommy said wash, then put anywhere and check. Oh, I show you mommy wash.
Yes, you show me.
And then after I maybe anywhere mommy you check all carefully. And we here also check.
I will check.
Yes, mommy wash and put anywhere. Anywhere we check.
Hi. So now, guys, I'm done fixing. Tomorrow I fix that because tomorrow I don't have any work. And my husband is not here because he have work outside. So tomorrow I feel boring. So I fix my things here inside the drawer or cupboard. Oh my god. Yes. So now I'm done. For now, I put here because I check something because I not see my white cloth, Pakistani cloth, guys. That's it. So now, guys, I'm done, and my bag also I put in the, I don't know where I put my bag. I think only here. All my things is here. Yes, this is my all things from here to here. Yeah, and I have planned for fix the old shoes, and I arranged the shoes, guys. So now, bye bye for now, and thank you to all my followers. Please support my YouTube channel and subscribe and likes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.